Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be sharing with you some of my PSD files which you can edit and use for your next project. Okay, yeah, recently I've not been doing any tutorial on flyer designs. I've just been sharing mostly of my POP files because I I transited into brand identity designs. However, so I'll be sharing with you some of my PSD files. So aside, okay, for example, you can get this, 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 and so these mockups will actually help you in making your design pop out. Like you have some of these, something like this. So you get the mockup, this one, the bag. So I'll be sharing with you some of the mockup, so you can just edit it and use it to your taste. All right, so so the link will be in the description of this video. So I will send you to my Telegram group, my Telegram channel. So I just have everything there. So this is the ones you'll be seeing. This. There are many. There are more than 20. If I'm not mistaken, 30. So you can just come here, edit them to your tastes. Right, mockups. All these mockups are available. The PSD files, you can see the pictures are behind the PSD files. So you can just come here, edit it, use it for your next project. Probably you're working on any brand identity design project or any project of your choice. So these mockups are available. I'll also be adding some mockups there, so just do well to always check. So you can see these are different. This one 360. Then I showed you where I used it in this brand identity design, this MSFS. Alright, so this is it. Only that I used Photoshop, so I was able to use content away to make it, to create like a square background and making it. So you see there are many of them. Alright, so I guess that's everything I'll be sharing with you for this video. So just do well. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the description of this video. It's not enough for you to just join. You can just come here and get it wherever you want to create a mock-up for your designs. So you can just come here and get some of this awesome and amazing mock-up. Now this video is for a particular class I attended. It was on CV review. If you want to just go through your CV as a designer, I just felt you guys will need it. So you can just watch, you can download the video and just watch it. It's going to teach you how you can prepare your CV correctly for your designer. It was by Cav Digital, Madam Cav. So alright, so that's all for this video. We'll see you in the next one.